Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on display in text size, just click on it. Come here to labels here, just click in this sign or this color. Sorry, you click in this sign or this color, like you see color is gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.